remix. It's Wizboy and J Martins.
In a memory, sorry, activate your Bluetooth, sorry, or shine your 32, sorry, sorry, oh yeah, let's go. Would you be my screensaver? I no go mind if I forget your picture. Would you be my screensaver? Oh my chama, irugi kamcho. Would you be my screensaver? My screensaver, my screensaver. Every time when you look in the mirror, matamwani kele Jehovah. All my friends they ask me say Kira, I say your beauty they make me they wonder. When I take a look at your eyes, see I see they shine so bright. Even when you they laughing I die. I want your picture for this my phone now. Cause phone might be made in China. And someone you go make a finer. If only say you go sign them. I would like to give you a ringo. Now this kind of ringo, no be that kind of ringo. Now Wizboy and J Martins say you fine well. Would you be my screensaver? I no go mind if I forget your picture. Would you be my screensaver? Oh my chapa, irugi kamcho. Would you be my screensaver? My screensaver, my screensaver.
See the way they love you, my baby, oh. It's like bread and butter. Your beauty, baby, yeah. Sama. See, cause anytime you come up for road, the young guy they go like tolo. See, just go the copy. They wonder, say how you too fine like this. When I see you, my baby, I can't help but to love you. You too fine, my baby. If you not see, just like sugar and tea. Also, we go there together. My sama, you go kill me.
Would you be my screensaver? I no go mind if I forget your picture. Would you be my screensaver? Oh my chapa, irugi kamcho. Would you be my screensaver? My screensaver, my screensaver. Sorry, activate your Bluetooth, sorry, or shine your 32, sorry.